Good Saturday afternoon, everybody. This is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. We have a new severe thunderstorm watch in effect for all of our North Carolina counties until 8 o'clock tonight. You can see on your map, this is the entire area shaded in yellow. That includes every county that you see in yellow. That includes Boone, Lenoir, Hickory, Statesville, Salisbury, Lincolnton, Shelby, Charlotte, Monroe, Wadesboro, Rockingham, Albemarle. You get the idea. Does not include South Carolina counties, but there could be some strong storms down there as well. Let me slowly turn on the radar and all of the information. You can see the strong storms that have developed this afternoon. In the heating of the day, when you pan out, you see our upper low over Nashville sitting back to the west. You can see the bands of showers and storms that have developed. The concern is we've had sun for a couple hours now in many areas of the Piedmont. So these cells that develop and then rotate around the low, they will rotate. Now, we could see some tornadoes with these. The tornado threat has increased slightly, but the primary threat still is going to be hail and wind because of the cold air aloft. And you see all these triangles. That's an indication of where we have some small hail. You see over Charlotte, the clouds are clearing out, but there's new ones developing, and we're starting to see a new storm develop in Hickory, Wilkesboro. This is a very strong line of storms. In fact, when we look at First Warn Doppler radar, you can see the storms that have developed in Burke County, where there is a warning currently in effect. This is in effect until 1:30 this afternoon. I'm watching this line carefully for rotation within it, but you can see the active cloud-to-ground lightning as well as some small hail likely within these cells. I'll loop it a couple of times, and you can see how quickly these cells have been developing here in the last 20 minutes or so. And we're got to watch carefully. These will have the tendency to spin, and any one of these could produce a brief tornado. So the threat for tornadoes has increased slightly today. It's gone from a 1 yesterday to about a 3 on our scale from 0 to 10. But when you look back at this clearing, we could see more storms develop down here in South Carolina. There's actually a couple trying to develop and then move into the Piedmont of North Carolina. That's why the area here in North Carolina has the highest instability right now. A couple things I look at oftentimes is that significant tornado parameter. If we look at that, we don't see a lot of it over the Piedmont. We see some of it down in Georgia and South Carolina. But one of the things that has increased is the supercell parameter. And as you look at the supercell parameter, it's peaking right now over the western part of the Piedmont into the foothills. So that's the area I'll be watching this afternoon. Again, just to repeat, severe thunderstorm warning for all of our North Carolina counties until 8 o'clock tonight. Please be weather aware, even if it's sunny where you are right now. Storms that do develop in your area through about 6 o'clock tonight will have the potential to be severe. Of course, we'll have continuous updates online at WCNC.com, on our Facebook and my Twitter feed, wxbrad, and on air as needed throughout the afternoon.